Good morning, mi gente. It's Louie the Boilerman here in my favorite part of the building, the boiler room. Guys, we're actually here working again. That's right, again here in the town of Freeport here in Long Island, New York. We're actually working on our second boiler. We worked on the first boiler, which is this one last year, and we work on the second one. This actually is called a mill series. It's a 25 mils HP Smith boiler. So what we're doing here today actually is changing the chamber. So the chambers will collapse. We have to replace the chamber with the brickwork. Also, we have to put the front wall, which is my guys are working on it right now. The front wall is basically insulation to protect the burner from overheating and burning out the controls. And then of course we have to make sure the gas is okay. Prior to us getting over here today, we actually had to clean the boiler. So we already cleaned the boiler, so we had everything ready. So when the materials finally came in, we were able to do the chamber. The reason why we had to do it in 2 steps is because right now we have issues with inventory or getting proper materials. So we actually did one part of the job a few weeks ago. Now we're doing the second part, which is the last part of the job, which is doing the chamber. We're doing the front wall, the brickwork, and for extra protection, I like to put like what's called a wet blanket of wool on top of the bricks. So yeah, man, this is what we do. Job is gonna get done. What's gonna get done is it has to get done.